Hello guys, my name is Lucy. I'm 7 years old. Today I'm going to roleplay Peppa Pig. The new car. Let's go. Can we open the window? Let's go. Yeah. I love my car. Yes, and this car loves us too. Don't you? Beep beep. What's wrong, Daddy? I think we need to go to Granddad's. I think we need to go to Granddad's. Yes. This Granddad's car. Hello. Oh. I think it took all days. I take all day? Yes, it would take all day. Oh, but we want to drive my car in some place. You can take my car. Hooray! Let's go. Open the windows, please. You tap the red buttons. Wow! Now you can take it to go from a drive. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. What is the green one do? So many buttons here. Magic windows. What is the green one, Daddy? I don't know. Now let's, what does the blue one do? Now it's so, now, yes, we can borrow it. Oh, it's raining. Don't worry. What do we do? Pink one, beep. Oh, sorry. What is the yellow one? That's not. What the yellow oats? Daddy because wrong that. I don't know what. Let's see. Hooray! But now it stopped raining. Can we open the window? Okay, what is it? The red one. Then the dog is finished her work. It's done. Wow. Thank you, Granddad Dog. Thank you, Daddy Pig. Ruff, ruff. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, it's so good. I love I don't like the new car. Yes, and we love this too. You don't. Beep, beep. Bye-bye, guys. See you again.